Okay, so that's the key ignition. And as you can see, the key ignition, there's no key in there and it's off. So what that means when it's off is that all the power is off. So all the power is off in the system. Everything is off. Alright, so you're probably wondering why you're staring at the floor. It's because I'm about to show you motherfuckers something. Now, this is just the third part, and this is the aftermath of the installation and how it looks now, and how everything is wired up. So let me show you. Oh fuck! There you go. There's not lighting up or nothing. I'm gonna move the light away to show you. There's no light on it. So now I'm gonna put my key in the ignition and show you what happens when you put the key in the ignition. So I'm going to switch it into on. There you go. So the blue light is on, which means the power is on. This is an on position. Now I'm going to turn the key off. Off. As you can see, it's off. I turned it on and showed you that it turned on and it turns off. So that's hooked up. Everything's hooked up accordingly and it's ready to go. Hard for you to see, but I'm sticking my key in the ignition, turning it once, twice. Vehicle is now started. Give me a minute. In order to do a bass test, I had to make sure I had a 1 second, motherfuckers. Right here, I gotta connect. Oh, there we go, waiting for it to connect. Connect. Press. Now we're gonna go to Fire tablet right there and turn up the volume. Just to 10. You cannot hear this thing, but I'm telling you, the camera does not do it justice. This thing is amazing. Now the bass on this is not turned up all the way, okay? So subwoofer. Subwoofer is off. We're gonna turn up the volume. Subwoofer on. Touching all these millions, I know they gon' hate it. My chef cook up filet mignon, got sauce in it, ate it. Put up to 70. Ballin' every season like Kobe with 8. All these niggas gon' hate. I stayed down and got rich. Now I'm fucking on this little bass. Big stepper like. This is the second part of the video, so the very first thing we gotta do is, let's just go into this for a second. And Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is connected. And this is the song that we're going to play. Click on that song. It's going to pop up. Make sure it's on loud. So volume all the way up in this. Volume's all the way up. We're going to press play. Then from here, music, Fire tablet. Okay. She's not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count president. Push a P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me. Turn down this, put on loudness. Now listen. Camera don't do justice, but listen.
A paranoid, I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm pushing P, I'm pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P, 3 P's, popcorn Porsche. Push P, I just lost a cup of water. I did. Push P, red bandana cards. I'ma P you at your whole endorsement. Yeah, she ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw out there, we finally touched.
Damn, it's hitting.
She ready to get in the streets for me, no question. Too rich to text, I lick my shot and forward it. Take that P at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it.